which is the oath taking proper. I ask all the grade level HRPTA officers and SPTA officers to gather together so we can start the oath taking ceremony.
Ano mo na sa GC?
May I ask all the grade level HRPTA officers to stand?
May copy po kayo.